Think it's not from here.
Yes, because look, it's the bottom, right?
Okay.
I think it's $5. Every realize it feels like $5. It's not much, right? I got this piece.
Wow, that's pretty big one.
It's a tasty one. Let me know to stop, okay?
Okay.
Oh, it's so gooey. I'm now getting milk on mine. Well, maybe a little
Try
milk.
it. Tasty.
Maybe just like teeny like this.
Там практически ничего нету.